friends, this is Shafaqat Ali and welcome to Technical Skillz YouTube channel. Friends, in the previous video we have created a project in Android Studio. Now in this video we will install emulator in Android Studio. So first of all, you click on this icon and then click on create a virtual device. Here you can see all the devices are available. You can select any one. In my case, I select Pixel 2 XL and click on next. Here you can see all the release name are available and then click on Nugget download. Here you need a fast internet and it will download your emulator. I pause the video and when it will be downloaded, I will resume the video. Okay, now downloading is completed. Then click on finish. Now select again which I have downloaded and click on next. If you want to change the name of the emulator you can, but I click on the finish. Okay, now click on this play button to run emulator. You can see emulator is running. If you want to change the shape or version of this emulator, first close it and then click on this edit button. And here you change the versions or any other release. Let me check Pixel 3. Select it and finish now. Now again run it. Now this time this is different. So it's look like the same. Let me change one more time. Now again click on this button. You can see this is beautiful Android emulator running on your Windows. Now let's run the project on this emulator. Just close this tab and compile this project. Hurry up, hurry up. You can see our application is running on this emulator. So thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye.